Hello, today we're going to demonstrate how to use shell. So let's go. We're using Onshape here, using our free subscription. Let's go to create, document, we'll type in shell. First we're going to hide the right plane here and the top plane, so hit Y to hide those, or we can go over here and click on the little eyeballs and hide them like that. Let's normalize this to the front. Okay, pull this, click, hold, drag, pull it in. Middle mouse button, okay, to hold that down and pan that around. So now we're going to start our sketch on this front plane right here. Click there, and we're going to build a line. Let's go up around 40, and let's build a circle. This one's going to be 80. Now we're going to close this off. Let's do L for line. Click here, edge right there. Escape to get out of that. M, we're going to do some trimming. We're trimming this guy. It's over constrained, so we can get rid of this dimension right here. Still good. Okay, so now we can finish this, and now we can revolve this section right here. So let's go over here to revolve. We're going to click on our faces, sketches to revolve, our axis to revolve about, and there we go. We got the revolve. Finish that. So now what we want to do is shell this. So let's go over here to shell. We're going to go to faces to remove, this guy right here, and we can change this to whatever thickness we want. That is how you shell. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.